Question 3. The diagram below shows the positions of 3 ships, J here in the middle, K here on the right, and L here on the left. Work out the bearing of ship L from ship J. So that means that the bearing and the angle is going to be at J, and we're looking in the direction of L. So that means that from J, we're looking in this direction here. Our bearing is the angle that's drawn clockwise from north, so that makes it this angle here. And in order to figure out the size of that angle, we're going to take 101 that was given plus 143 that was given and add them together to get 244 degrees. For part B, and I'll just erase the colors here for the second part. From part B, we are looking to work out the bearing of ship J from ship K. So that means the bearing is going to be at K, which means straight away I'm going to need a north line here. Let me just draw one in. Okay, and we are going in the direction of the bearing of ship J. So that is starting from here. Oh, how did I undo that? Okay, I'll redraw that in a second. We are going in this direction. And our angle, our bearing, is going to be this one here, clockwise, until we hit the direction that we are facing, from K to J. So we don't have that bearing, or sorry, we don't have that angle in red, but we have everything that we need in order to figure this out. The simplest way of doing this would be to identify that we have co-interior angles between these two north lines, making this angle here in green 180 minus 101 for 79. And then from there, we can do 79 taken away from 360, because angles round a point add up to 360. And by doing that, we're going to end up with 281 as our answer. That's one of the ways it can do it. Just to show a couple of other ways before I erase all this, if I drew a north line here, with this being 101, I could identify that this here would be 79. And then from there, if that's 79, I can spot that one 79. Or if I extend this down here, I could have co-interior angles between these two, making that 101. Or I could identify that these two angles here are going to be alternate angles, making that 101. And of course, once I get that 101, I can add it to 180 to get our bearing here. So you got lots of options to be able to answer part B. The simplest one would definitely be the one that I showed you first. So I'll just erase all them. In fact, what I'll do is I'll keep the north line here, because that's actually not a bad thing to keep. Part C. It is also given that the bearing of ship K from ship L, so from ship L, the bearing is going to be here, so I can even draw a north line in just to show that. And we are going to ship K, so that is this line here in that direction. We're told that the bearing is 087 degrees, so this angle here, clockwise from north, all of that angle, not 0 point, is 087 degrees. And the question's asking us, work out the bearing of ship L from ship K. Now, you can start drawing here, and I will show a way in which you can do that. But there's something very important to notice in this question. You're given the bearing of ship K from ship L. You're being asked for the bearing of ship L from ship K. These are opposite bearings. Whenever you've got opposite bearings, they are going to differ by 180 degrees. Whether or not you add or subtract 180 degrees depends on the angle that you're given, and it depends on which answer makes sense. For this one, if we add 180 degrees to 087, sorry, you're going to end up with 267 degrees, which makes perfect sense. Whereas if I took away 180, I'm going to end up with a negative angle. I'm going to end up with something that's not going to make so much sense, and therefore I wouldn't want to continue with that. So 267 is our answer. Just to show how that would work in our picture if we wanted to start drawing. And that 087 gives us the first of two co-interior angles. Again, using our north lines, we would end up figuring out that this is 180 minus 87, which is going to give us 93. So this would be a 93 degree angle. And then from there, if I take away that 93 from, I've done a sum wrong here. Oh no, I haven't. It's down here. Yeah, if I take away 93 from 360, I see 267 degrees, which is the bearing that we are looking for. Therefore, we are done.